2017, guys. It's Sunday, but I forgot which date is it, and it's June, obviously. And next month, on July 1st, summer is going to begin at my school. And I think there's going to probably be about like 10 days left, or 9, which is really exciting. 10 days would be like 1 week and another week with 3 days. So it's 10 days. That equals 1 week and 3 more days. And we're gonna leave some time in summer, like not right away. We're gonna spend some time summer here and then start leaving this house. Well, it's spring right now. It's getting hotter. Well, obviously this is the north side. So we're in North America. So north is cold. So most of the time it's like hot and cold in spring for us here. So that's all I have for today about me. Plus, that's not all. I'm 7 years old. My birthday is on April 16th. And do you know why do I have this? Because there's oil on my hair. And my dad did this. And he wants it to be longer, and obviously it's going longer so fast today. Well, not really this long, just a little bit like last time, before we got this haircut. So, that's all I have for today. See you later.